Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your CapCut app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. Go ahead and click on this setting icon. Go ahead and click on app language. So by default, I have mine as English language right here. However, you can switch to any other language available right here. Let's say, for instance, you want to switch to this particular language. Go ahead and select language and go ahead and click on done right here. And in a few seconds, all display text and in the language will be totally changed to the current one you choose right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.